Hey Internet. So we're just gonna be doing SolidWorks series. You'll notice that my SolidWorks is in dark mode. So once you double click on the SolidWorks icon, something like this should appear. Um, I'm not really gonna be doing anything in this video, but I'll just go over my setup. I normally like my stuff dark so my eyes don't get wrecked. So as you can see, I just clicked on this icon for backgrounds, and I just clicked the dark one. And you notice it's dark here, so to change that you just go to I believe it's display drawings, nope, colors, yeah, my bad. uh, haven't changed it in a while, so yep, so go that background and then you can change it to light, but since I'm filming this at night, it kind of wrecks my eyes. So we'll just go back and change colors, default dark. So yeah, in the series, I'll just go through like some of the basic skill sets that you should know. The reason why I'm doing this is because when I started in my first year, like in my design class, I was like, everyone was dropped in and like the teaching assistant just said, "Here's SolidWorks, good luck." Which for me wasn't that bad because I had experience from work as an apprentice, and so I used a lot of SolidWorks at work. But for the others, like they didn't have any experience, and I kind of felt bad because I did end up teaching the entire class, and at certain points I taught the TA, which you know, that's kind of bad when you have to teach the TA. Another thing, I'll be working in metric, so you can click here to switch to metric. Um, you can also go to here, document, properties, and then units, and switch to metric. I know some of you guys use imperial. Like there's literally only 3 countries that use imperial, but for what I'm going to do, I'm going to use metric. Yep. So I'll end the video here, and then in the next series, I will be like doing individual skill sets for SolidWorks. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, share, and comment if you find these videos helpful. Until next time, see ya.